Hey guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some sketchbook ideas slash things you can draw on your sketchbook. So if you are following along in my sketchbook series, you might have seen the really crazy ideas that I've posted, and this video does not have a lot of those crazy stuff. It's more aesthetic, I guess. Actually, some of them are not very aesthetic, but the last one is super aesthetic and I really like that. But I won't spoil anything for you guys, so you better check it out. Go till the end of the video. So without further ado, let's start drawing. The first idea is to draw some origami things. So I'm going to be drawing a pond scene with lots of cranes, birds, planes, and boats. So I didn't end up shading or coloring anything in because I really like the really simple idea of the geometric shapes, so I didn't color it, but you can if you want to. The second idea is to draw some Polaroids. So I'm going to be drawing in my Polaroids with a ruler. You can freehand it if you want to create a messier look. I just want to use my ruler because I like being precise with these. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some plants inside the Polaroid, nothing too fancy. I'm not drawing any landscape or scenery because I just want to keep it very simple for today's video. The third idea is to draw 4 seasons, so I'm going to use my pen, fine liner thing, and I'm going to split the page into 4. So the first one is going to be winter, so here I'm drawing with my pencil some snow. Then I'm going to make the focal point of each a bush just in the center. Then I'm going to take my fine liner, outline everything. Then I'm going to erase the pencil lines that are still showing, and I'll color it in. the next idea is to draw a day and night scene. So I'm going to draw a leafy branch. Yeah, that works. In the center. Then I'm going to split the page in half with my pencil and ruler. The left side is going to be night and the right side is going to be day. So I'm going to color each differently. The right side is going to be lighter while the left side is going to be darker because obviously it's night. I'm gonna draw the sun and the moon. The moon's gonna be slightly smaller because that's kind of realistic. Not really sure. Just going off of whatever I think looks okay. And I'm going to color these in. And yeah. The last idea is to draw half regular, then half floral. So if you guys don't know what I mean, if you go and search on Pinterest or Google Floral Butterfly, it should be like a half regularly drawn butterfly, then the other wing is a bunch of flowers and leaves. I wanted to try and recreate that in today's video. So I'm going to just draw the butterfly regularly on one side, then I'm going to fill the wing of the other one with a bunch of really colorful flowers. Obviously this doesn't have color yet, but I'm going to outline it, erase a few pencil lines, then you're going to see all the color that's on the butterfly wing. So I colored in the black of the wing, and I realized that some of the dots and details on the butterfly wing weren't really showing up, and I kind of accidentally colored over it in black. So I went over with my white gel pen to fix some of my mistakes. And that is it for this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please do give it a like if you did. And if you didn't enjoy it, then do give me a thumbs down. I really want to know how you feel. And if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And if you are new, consider subscribing to join the kawaii family. I do lots of art and craft videos like these, so do consider subscribing, and don't forget to click push notifications so you are notified whenever I post every Friday. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!